Hi friends, we shall now move to studying deep learning in this video. In this step of deep learning, machine can define its own path with minimal learning or no learning at all. As per mathworks.com, deep learning is a technique that teaches computers to do what comes naturally to humans. Or in other words, deep learning technique can explore machine to think the way human being can. By the way, Google's AlphaGo Zero learned a highly complex Chinese game called Go or Go. This game of Go is more complex than challenging game of chess. And within just 40 days of self-learning and optimum data input, or Google's AlphaGo Zero could beat every human being in this planet, including world leaders in this game called Lee Sedol or Kijai. Moreover, it could improve playing in this game on its own every year. Well, Google's DeepMind project team leading the AlphaGo Zero project has described this technique as combining the deep learning with Monte Carlo tree search mechanism. Moreover, this technique has been also reported by a few other scientists as reinforcement learning, where machine does a trial and error to achieve any final goal or a destination. Well, we are almost at the end of this session. But before we end this session, it is important for all of you to know a couple of points. 1. Timelines of artificial intelligence progress. And 2. Superset and subset of AI, ML and DL. Let's begin on the timeline of this progression. Though this entire learning concept is called artificial intelligence concept, the first level of artificial intelligence was developed between 1950 to 1980, which here in this course we have called it as traditional artificial intelligence, which means this is the first step which a human being took in the artificial intelligence space. Thereafter, machine learning progressed between 1980 to 2010, and beyond 2010, deep learning was developed. And many more variations of machine learning or deep learning are now being created every year. But the entire concept combining all three things is simplistically referred as artificial intelligence concept by this planet. The second point is about superset and subset of AI, ML and DL. So let us understand the basic tree of artificial intelligence concept. Well, an artificial intelligence is a superset, a machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, and finally, deep learning is a subset of machine learning. However, within this course, we have used the term traditional artificial intelligence for referring to AI thing developed by scientists between the period of 1950 to 1980. Yep. And that term of artificial intelligence or traditional artificial intelligence should not be confused with the overall concept of artificial intelligence. So happy learning, friends. We are coming to the end of this section.